Hi guys. On today's episode of Math with Miss Lamont, we are going to be working on multiplying fractions using the area model. And I am going to show you a pretty cool trick with multiplying fractions by the area model. First of all, you need a yellow highlighter and you need a blue highlighter. And if you're old school like me or you pay attention in art class, you know that yellow and blue make green. And that's going to help us here in a minute. So if we look at our first problem that we have 4/5 times 1/3. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to look at the way this square right here is broken up. It's actually not technically a square, it's a rectangle. But if you look here, if I look down, do you see this is broken into thirds on the way down? So this is a third, this is a third, this is a third. So I've broken it into thirds. Okay. Then when it's broken apart this way, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or fifths when I've broken that apart. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with the 1/3. So I'm going to highlight 1 out of 3. So I'm going to highlight 1/3 of this whole shape. Okay. Now, does everybody see how I'm highlighting 1/3? Because this would be a third, this would be 2/3, this would be 3/3, or the whole thing. Okay. Now, when I go to look at the next part, I have fifths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I am going to color in 4/5 of this. So if I look here, I'm going to go 4/5. And I'm going to leave that last fifth blank because I'm coloring in 4/5. So I'm going to shade in my 4/5. Okay. And I'm also going to shade over the top of this part because this part is going to have both of the colors. So when it has both of the colors, that is going to be my answer. So 4/5 times 1/3, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 is going to be my numerator out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 4/15 would be my answer. So this is how you show it in an area model. Now I'm going to go on and we're going to do the next one. We have 1/4 times 2/6. Well, if you look here, this is divided into fourths vertically, and it's divided into sixths horizontally. So what we're going to do to find this problem is we're going to color in the 1/4 yellow. So I've colored in the 1/4, and then this will be 2/4, 3/4, 4/4. And I'm going to color in 2 of the sixths blue. So I'm going to go, so this would be 1/6 blue, 2/6 blue. I'm going to go ahead and color that in. So my answer is going to be, I have 2 that are shaded green, so that's going to be my numerator. And I have how many total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times 4, which would give me 24. Or I can reduce that down because 2 is even, it goes into 24. So that would give me 1/12 of the whole figure is shaded. All right, guys, well, there is my lesson on area model. Hope you enjoyed it.